Alright, I'm going to show / tell you how to get really easy free ringtones. Okay, first off, you have to have a computer or a laptop, such as you have to have a cell phone, and in your cell phone options, if there's a thing like entertainment, which you can't really see it, but if there's a option to record sound, you type in whatever song you want, which you can't read it, but it's the Working Man solo, and then you put your phone next to where the sound comes out on your computer, like right over here, and you press play, and then when you want to start recording, like, here, I'll record. Now. Okay, I stopped recording. Let's say that I want that as my ringtone. Now see, on my cell phone, let's pause, and I'll play it. And there's part of the Working Man solo. And then there's usually an option, like a more option, and you can choose to apply as your ringtone. And that's a really easy way to get ringtones. Free.